Automatic, super automatic espresso machines have become a cornerstone of home cafe setups, offering one-touch access to espresso. These machines balance convenience, consistency, and versatility. In this analysis, I tested 5 models across a price range of $399.99 to $549.99 to evaluate build quality, integrated grinders, milk systems, and long-term maintenance. Product number 1. DeLonghi Magnifica Start Automatic Espresso Machine with Manual Milk Frother. This model focuses on a compact footprint with a built-in conical burr grinder offering 13 grind settings and a traditional manual milk frother. It targets users who want a straightforward, cost-conscious super automatic with reliable core drinks, espresso, coffee, and Americano, and periodic milk-based beverages. It emphasizes a simple 3-button, one-touch experience and a removable, dishwasher-safe internal layout for easy cleaning. Technical highlights include 15-bar pressure, a 60-ounce water capacity, and a compact 17-inch D times 9.25-inch wide times 14-inch H form factor, making it suitable for smaller kitchens or offices with limited counter space. In practice, the Magnifica Start offers predictable extraction across beans due to the conical burr grinder and adjustable brew strength. The manual frother allows traditional milk texturing. Product number 2. DeLonghi Magnifica Start Automatic Espresso Machine with Manual Milk Frother. This variant mirrors the first but is offered in a silver colorway with the same 13 grind setting conical burr grinder and built-in grinder. It emphasizes a consistent one-touch workflow for espresso, coffee, and Americano with a 60-ounce water reservoir and a removable water hardness test kit for scaling awareness. The design leans into a traditional Magnifica aesthetic suitable for users who value the DeLonghi brand's reliability and a straightforward, no-frills user experience. Performance-wise, the machine delivers dependable espresso extraction thanks to the grinder and 15-bar pump. The manual frother again provides flexibility for milk texture, but lacks auto-frothing that could simplify daily routines. The unit's dishwasher-safe components make maintenance manageable. Product number 3. Philips 3300 series fully automatic espresso machine with LatteGo milk system. The 3300 series broadens versatility with 6 presets, including iced coffee options and a LatteGo milk system touted for quick, tube-free milk delivery. The integrated grinder, a full-color touchscreen, and 15-bar pressure combine to deliver cafe-style beverages with one-touch customization. The silent brew claim suggests reduced operational noise, appealing to open-plan homes or late evening use. AquaClean Filter promises descaling-free operation for thousands of cups, making long-term maintenance simpler. In practice, the LatteGo milk system lives up to its promise of easy cleaning and quick turnaround. It consists of 3 parts with no concealed tubes, making it dramatically easier to rinse under running water or in a dishwasher. Product number 4. Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine. The 3200 series sits as a value-focused option with a 100% ceramic grinder and LatteGo milk system for easy cleaning, plus a tactile one-touch display. It supports 5 coffee varieties and offers a My Coffee Choice feature to personalize drink profiles. The AquaClean filter aligns with low-maintenance descaling, and the machine emphasizes a streamlined, no-fuss experience with solid build quality and a relatively compact footprint. Performance-wise, the 3200 series delivers dependable espresso and milk-based drinks with a balance of simplicity and customization. The 100% ceramic grinder is durable and reduces heat transfer during grinding, helping preserve bean flavor. The LatteGo system makes milk-based beverages quick to prepare and easy to clean. Product number 5. DeLonghi Magnificus Start Automatic Espresso Machine with Auto Milk Frother. This variant expands the one-touch repertoire to 5 drinks, including latte macchiato and hot water, while retaining a built-in grinder and auto milk frother for a more automated milk experience. The milk carafe is an integrated solution that can be stored in the fridge, providing a convenient workflow for households that want more milk texture automation than the manual frother. It sits at $499.95, positioning it as a value-rich option with enhanced drink variety without stepping into premium price territory. Performance-wise, the Magnificus Start with Auto Milk Frother offers a more seamless workflow for milk beverages than the basic 3 recipes version. The latte crema style approach delivers creamier, consistent foam when using the included milk carafe. The system is still relatively straightforward to maintain, with removable parts for cleaning.